Hello guys, welcome back to Beyond Toy Tales. And for today project, I gonna assemble and paint just a little bit of customize for Gundam wing. So let's just assemble the kit first, and we're gonna see what the color scheme that I want. Okay, the head part is already done, and I like this mechanic, right? That can pull like this. Kinda look cool in my opinion. I don't know if the normal version can do this, but yeah, I think it's kinda looking pretty cool for more action. Okay, let's continue. Both of the arms is now complete. I think on the forearm over here, and you can see for this side, it's a little bit hard to see, but there is a gap in the middle. So the blue part that around the forearm kind of have a gap over here. Can you see it? Yeah. The part inside, it just so hard to put it together, so it's split. But anyway, I need to split it out and paint it anyway. So for right now, it's okay. Okay, let's continue the waist part. Okay, the waist part, and I don't know why they separate for the lower body part, but it's still the waist part. So yeah, the waist part is now done. No, there is nothing advanced. It's very simple and straightforward. So yeah, let's continue to do the wing unit. Okay, now everything is done, and I think the back side is too heavy for me to put Vaseline in. So as you can see here, I put the Vaseline in and it too slip, and it slip right off. I don't even need to pull it off. I just gonna clean it up after I paint everything. But for now, I just gonna put it here first. So this is it for the part 1. I think the part 2 gonna be me. I have an idea for the wing part to make it more interesting. I gonna show you the idea in the second part. So stay tuned for the next part. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And see you in the next episode. Bye bye.